Welcome everyone and thank you for watching. We're going to be making air fryer lemon pork ribs today. It's super tasty, quick and easy. The first thing we're going to do is get the ribs nice and clean. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to your pork ribs and then rinse them clean twice. Squeeze and drain any excess water from your pork ribs. Let's marinate the pork ribs. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 sliced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of rice cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mix everything together well. Set it aside to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's prepare a super simple lemon sauce for our pork ribs. Cut 1 lemon in half, slice half of it into smaller pieces, and squeeze the juice from the other half. Once you've removed all the lemon juice, julienne 3 to 4 pieces of the lemon skin. This will add a little bit of zest and color to your dish. Slice 1 onion and then cut 1 stalk of green onion into pieces. Add 1 large tablespoon of sugar to your lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 4 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Brush the tray on your air fryer with oil and then place the ribs meat side down. Spritz a little bit of oil onto your pork ribs and then place your tray into your air fryer. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip your ribs and then spritz with oil and continue to cook for the remaining 10 minutes. The total cook time for your ribs is 20 minutes. Let's see how our pork ribs turned out. These look gorgeous. To make the lemon sauce, add 2 tablespoons of oil, onion, green onion, and lemon to the saucepan on high heat. Sauté to release the flavors, then add your lemon juice mixture. Add a 1/4 cup of water, stir to thicken up your sauce. Add the pork ribs to your pan and stir fry and mix well. This is optional and personal preference, but I like to remove the green onion from my dish. This is a super easy and tasty dish that you can make for lunch or dinner. I normally serve this with some rice, a vegetable dish, and a soup. If you like this air fryer recipe, be sure to check out my other air fryer recipes.